So in this video, let me show you the amazing LUTs I do use in color grading my image to have these professional looks. So I'm going to show you on Photoshop how this LUT is. So if you are interested in purchasing this LUT, there is a link on the description. So you click on it, you purchase the LUT and enjoy color grading your image easily in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let me show you how this LUT is in Photoshop. I'll try 2 pictures to convince you that this LUT is amazing. So without wasting much time, let's get to Photoshop. To show you how powerful this LUT is, once I'm done with everything, which is the retouching and also matching the skin tone, I'm going to pick on my color lookup right here. Head on to load 3D LUT. I'll click on it. So I'll just locate where the LUT is. It's actually 4. So I'm going to start with the number 1, then I'll open it. So you can see the effect. If you're not okay, let me still try another one so that you can see. So I'm still going to click the color lookup, load 3D LUT, then I'll now click 2. So once it's done, you can see this 2 is, I think 2 is perfect for this picture. But let me also still try the 3 so that you can see it, because this LUT is actually amazing. The link is on the description. So I'll try the 3. Then you can see the 3 is kind of looking too saturated and the red are too much. So it depends on the picture you're working on. Let me also load the 4. I'll still repeat the same process. Then 4. Then you can see 4 is actually manageable, but I prefer 2. So I'm just going to delete this. Then I'll still load the 2. The LUT is actually amazing. So I'll load the 2. So you can see how it's looking. See the before and see the after. So you are not convinced. Let's try the second picture. Okay, on this image too, I'm done with the retouching, the matching of skin tone. So now let me also repeat the same process so you can see that you can use this LUT on your studio pictures, your portrait or anything. Let me just start clicking the color lookup, load 3D. Then I'm going to start with 1 and I'll open it. So you can see the before and the after, the before and the after. So I'll delete this and I'll also try the 2 so that you'll be clarified. I'll try to then open it. You can see the before and the after. The 1 and the 2 is actually good for this picture, but let's try 3. So you can choose between 1 or 2, but let's just try 3 to see. You can see this. Have you seen how the 3 is looking on this picture? If the opacity is too much, you can just reduce the opacity. Then you can see how the picture is looking very nice. But I'm just going to try the 4 so that you can see the effect. On the other picture, the 3 was looking kind of reddish, but in this picture it's actually blending. So it just depends on the picture you're working on. So you can see the 4 is actually very amazing. But to me, I think I'll prefer 1 on this picture. So let me know your thoughts on the comment section. You can just throw your opinion there. Let me just see. You can see the before and the after. So what are you waiting for? I've tested it and you have seen how good the LUT is. So why not just click on the link on the description to purchase the LUT? And also, if you are always looking for a channel to be watching tutorial, this is the best channel for you. Just hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be notified. So use the LUT and thank me later.